This home is proudly listed by Becky and Ryan Belk of Keller Williams Preferred Realty. Becky and Ryan make selling or buying real estate easy. Please enjoy touring this home and text or call 919-201-8278 to see this wonderful home in person. Desirable Dover Ridge one-owner home. 6 Acre Neighborhood Park West/Playground and low dues. Near Duke, I-85, 147, RTP, I-40. Well-kept home is move-in ready. Huge living room west/gas log fireplace opens to deck. Sunny dining room, and kit west/lots of cab, and BRK Nook. Newer carpet throughout -1 bedroom, used as office. New landscaping in level backyard. Huge garage west/space for wrkshp/office and garage side door. Walk-in closets in 2 bedrooms. Pull-down attic. Laundry room up and west.